Oh my gosh, guys. I literally put $20 in and a $4 ticket I had and pushed it one time. $25 bet. $1 number. Dragon Lake. Freaking cash. Oh my gosh. This is it. This is what I've been waiting for. I ain't never had a $25. Two more, do it. I never had a $25 bonus bet. Come on. Stop doing that. Stop blocking.
What you got, little panda?
Wait.
Oh, you about to kill it. Let's go.
Look it. It's going. Come on. Don't play me right now. I want some progressive. 3 more. Yes. Yay. They're okay. Come on. Positive vibes, baby. Who you know? Come on. This is crazy. Give it to me. Oh. One more.
Wow.
Guys, are you serious? What is going on? Not spin. Oh. I really thought that was supposed to be hand paper. I'm pissed. One back up spin. I'm done. So I'm taking my money. I'm running. All right, y'all. I'll be back. Bye. It's about to be 4 o'clock in the morning, and we're attempting to take our scooters across the street to Resorts World.
I'm so tired.
46 degrees outside. I forgot my jacket. Adventure time. Whoa! Why you stop?
I know you right behind me. I was trying to save the door for you, cause I'm still vlogging. I'm not bumper cars, okay? You relax. Got the feature on Bull Blitz, y'all. Y'all know y'all like this game. $2 denom. Let's go. $10 bet. Ooh, what we gonna get? Another $8. Come on. Let's get another bull. Ooh, yeah. Come on, baby. Money, 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 money. What we gonna get? Another $8. Okay. Okay, another bull. Nice, nice, nice. Another $8. Ooh, got another one. Let's go. Ooh, we owe $200, y'all. Alright, so what we gonna get? Ooh, that's an 80. Let's get that. Get it? Oh, I ain't gonna let no bulls now all of a sudden. How dare you? Thank you. Woo, that was nice. Yes. Okay, we owe $400. What? Get another one. I dare you. I dare you. I dare you. Come on, Bull Blitz. Oh. No, I got it. Come on, get one. Yes. Oh my God, $600, y'all. What? Oh, what? Come on, bull. Bam. Oh. Y'all, we up to $600 freaking dollars. We didn't even get none of the, Look at the progressives up top. Oh my goodness. Come on, baby. Get one. Get it. Ooh, that's cool. Even 600, we good with that. Hey. Whoa. Yeah. Look at our ticket. Oh my goodness. That was freaking incredible. I didn't think that was gonna be that good for all them little 8s. Like they said, they add up. Come on, baby. Oh, split. Yes. And we got the free spins. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby. Huh? Right there. Come on, 5 free games. Make it good. Let's go. Match them. Nothing? How dare you? Oh, I ain't never got 3 before. Oh my goodness, 5 of a kind. Oh no, 4 of a kind. All the way through, 4 of a kind. Well, that's not all the way through. Damn, any of those would have matched. what we got? There's a 134, y'all. That's the first time I ever seen it do 3. You too? Oh, you can get the other bonus too? Oh my goodness. Let's go. Nothing. Okay, that's fine. Another 134. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No freaking way. Are we really doing this over here? Resorts World right now. Resorts World. That's what we're doing. Sounds good to me. Thank you, love. You know I try. Last one, y'all. Oh, you know what? Let's go ahead and switch it over to here. Anything? Okay. Got enough for another spin. Alright, y'all. You know we gotta hit the collect on it. Oh, snap. Wait for our ticket. Get out of the way. Bam! Put some respect on it, baby. That is Bull Blitz, Roses, and Riches, y'all. And we'll be back. Bye. Just a quick reminder, y'all. Get your winner's bank. This is our secret weapon on how we never leave the casino broke, baby. Link in the description below. Back to the fun.
Guys, Grandpa jumped in first, and he jumped in that pot. I'm on 2 pennies. I ain't never did to see him come. Oh, this is 2 pennies. Yes. Thank you, Grandpa. He ain't got no sound. He ain't got no sound. $54. That was just a line hit. I'm not in a bonus or nothing. Cool. Do a couple backup spins. See if Grandpa want to still come out and play. That's a lot. Woo. Oh, here they go again. What you trying to do? What you trying to do? Come on, Resorts World. Keep going. Grandpa, bring your ass. He didn't. He didn't bring his ass. Oh! They're doing something after the words. What is going on? They clap their hands. They clap their hands. Oh my gosh. He's giving me some more.
Oh yeah.
Grandpa, you give me some more? How you shake your hands? They gonna do the thing? They ain't even do nothing else.
Exactly.
It's gave me some more, Grandpa. What? That was interesting. Interesting there. I thought they was gonna do the little shaky, 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 but they didn't. That'd have been good. It was a good setup. All right, 2 more. 1. Ooh, look at them jacks. Look at them jacks. Woo, that's $22. All right, you guys. I'll be back if I get anything else. Bye.
All right, y'all. We put another $100 in. Like I still got my 700. I just put another 100 in. I stayed on the 10-cent denom, like where we were at, and I was just kind of doing the mooch method, and I got the bonus on a $10 bet again. On 10-cent denom this time. Come on, line them up. 3 more. Oh my goodness, I would love that bonus on a $10 bet. Don't play. Oh, I thought we got the queens all the way through. Damn, we didn't get those things all the way through, or the queens. Okay, we have the $53 though. Go, go. Aces? That's not aces 5 of a kind? Oh my god. Come on, guitars and aces. Okay, that's aces 5 of a kind. You ain't gonna cheat me that time. Boom, 153, we doubled. Oh my goodness. Do it. 5 of a kind. No! I needed that up there. Okay, that's still good though. Ooh, $335 ticket. Oh my god. I literally put another freaking $100 bill in here, y'all, and I just got that one up to 300. Wow. Mooch method came through. I can't even do my method the right way. I'm supposed to go here. See, now it didn't took me under my, man, you suck. I'm gonna go ahead and cash out. That upset me. I didn't want to go under 4. Hit the collect on it. Wait for our ticket, yeah. Bam! Put some respect on it, baby. Bull Blitz, Roses and Riches, y'all. We'll be back. Bye.
I got the bonus on my last spin. Last spin. This is 2 pennies. Ooh. Oh, it's like Firelink. I never played this game before. Upgraded it. Ooh. Oh, we want them upgrades, baby dog. Come on. Hello? Ooh. Is that an upgrade? Ooh. No. You getting that $25? Oh, this is fun. Push and play, but it won't go. Down here. Not up there. Come on, get one. Don't be done. Come on. Yes. Ha ha ha. Oh, and then one more to unlock it. One more to unlock. We got monies up there. Yes. What does that count? Big one. Ah, no. What do you keep doing that one? How come I didn't do those? And that? Okay. There's $100 up there. We gonna get it. There's 3 more. We got it. Come on. Okay, 2 more. We got it. Easy peasy. Let's do it. Come on. Don't play no game. 2 more. 2 more. I got it. I'm not tripping. Give it to me. Yes. Does that count? Does that count? Give me a big one. Stop it. What's that one? Why? Yes. You about to open it? Look. Up. Get it. Go. We got 2 more spins to get it. Let's go. Open it. Open sesame. We got money up there. Come on. Oh, that is cold. Look at them. Had $100 waiting. That's mean. Maybe 2 more to unlock. Okay, let's see what we got. Hey. Okay. Yes. Yes. Ah, $222. That was amazing. Whoosh, down to my last 89 cents. And they done did it. Thank you. We need 4 of them. I was doing 1 up, so I should probably continue to do it, huh? Okay. Come on, Nichols. Or 3 of them. I haven't got that bonus yet. Okay, $10 bit. Woo. So glad it brought me back. Let's see. 10 cents. Let's do 1 more. And I'm about to bank. Forget that madness. Alright. Dragon Legends Fire Gem. And I'll be back. Bye. Got the bonus. Wonderful boost. Pompeii. Freaking. I want this a string. I want it. I got it. Come on. Come on, baby, 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 baby. No, 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 no. Ooh. So pretty. I'm gonna go for 20. I'm not playing with them. I'm not playing with them today. Go, go, go. Right. No, you didn't. Come on. Go, go. I need them big 5 of kind with the multipliers now. I put 100 in the machine. Where's my extreme? Go, go. Play too much. Go. Oh! Why? Why? I needed a freaking one of these right there. Oh my gosh, that would have been freaking amazing. Okay, Papa, comment, please. Baby, please. Well, I got my money back. So, there's that. Go. Oh, pop it. I stopped it. Check it over there. Results World, I am not impressed. Do that. Can't do it. You can re-trigger, do something. That's why I do 20 games. I got $1 a game. $6 bet. But it's only equivalent to $1.50 game, so yikes. $23. Resorts World. $10 bet. Yeah, I'm off this game, y'all. All right, I'll be back. Bye.
New game, new game, new game. I bet I got the bonus. No. Look, y'all, I got triple times 2. I won $44. Let's get a bonus. See what this game can do. I don't know nothing about it. It's called Rue Ye Will. Okay. Oh, I got D-noms. Oh, we're going to the next D-nom. One more. Oh, got the bonus. 2 cent D-nom. 352 bit. Oh, 2 pennies, 2 pennies. Look, I got a wheel, y'all. These are progressives. You better get it, girl. What are we looking for? What do those do? Nothing? Time. Yes. 48. Oh, that's $96. Oh, yeah. Oh. Let's go. Punch. Oh. You know we got it. Punch. Oh. I don't want to touch nothing. I just want to take this all in. Look at it. Oh. Okay, I'll turn it back around. Trigger. 2 of them re-triggers. Re-trigger. Nice. Let's go. Get another one. Oh, it just went by. Oh, they got a ×5 in there. Oh my goodness. I dare you. And we on game 6 of 11. Oh, there's a wheel. Did we get it? Did we get the, how did that just grow? I don't know what the hell just happened. If they land off there, they come in or something? I don't know. I don't know how I got it. Oh, yeah. Oh. Let's go. Oh, yeah. I love it. Oh, line them multipliers up. Oh, it did. It came from off the screen onto the screen, y'all. Which won another $50. First time playing Wii U Will. Oh, of course, because it's a lion. That's why. My Leo brothers. This is for you. Oh, yeah. Let's go. I can't even tell when the multipliers is off the screen. They might just pop up at any moment. Come on, Will. How you get the wheel? Look, I got a ×3. They wasted the ×3. Wasted the ×3 again. Oh, do it now. Oh my goodness. That's $32. If one would have came up and been like ×5, that would have been freaking awesome. Oh yeah. Okay, my baby over there. Hey. Y'all, we have to to 184. Go. Multiply. Aw, you wasted it. Oh, those two. Did I get anything though? Hell no. I'm pissed. There's one up there. Okay, I can see him now. I can see him. I'm gonna do something crazy. Last game. Okay, y'all. 187. Nice. Hey, man, I ain't tripping off of that at all. Cool. Freaking cool. Look at that shit. Triple. Like a spin. Yeah, and I think that's good. We're gonna hit the collect on it. That was awesome. Thank you, you will. Wait for I take it. Ah, put some respect on that, baby. Boogie Will Lion. We'll be back. Bye. Don't do me like that. Oh, you doing me like that? You really gonna do me like that? It did me like that. It did me like that. It's time to go. You son of a bitch. $45. Oh, 70. Okay. I don't know how I got 70. But I'll take it. I saw the triple major. How dare you gonna show your face after the bonus is over, you jackass. They got me over here cussing now. I didn't want to be cussing. Give me that. Look, you got a $100 ball in there and now you don't want to do it. Now you don't want to do it. Thank you. Hey, I live in the ghetto. Live in the ghetto is your fault. You better give me some damn money. Let's go. Oh, okay. Got some $25 lines in there. Nice. Oh, $95. Go, girl. Oh, girl. Re-trigger? No. She play too damn much. Best for last. Let's go. All right, we're gonna nickel and dime it until we get him. I'm trying to get a whop up in here, man. So far, I got one that I will consider a whop by their standards. So I'm cool. But yeah, I'm trying to whop them. Look, 3 more. You know what you needed to do. Let me whop you, baby. Whop, babaloo, bop. Yep, I'm gonna stop right there, y'all. Chica Bonita, Lightning Dollar link. We'll be back. Bye. Subscribe before I get mad.
www.slogcable.com